Okay, Paige and Madison here, back at it again with our food diary part 2. Here, it's over here. Maybe doesn't she need to see this?
Oh, here, like that. You see?
Okay. Got the food diary printed out here. So what I'm going to do is teach you how to take your 5-day food diary, and we're gonna break it up into the 5 food group, or the food groups. I already did 3 for you. We're gonna do the other 2 together, so then you can see if you're eating the recommended daily amount or not.
Okay.
So we're gonna do fruits and grains together. So day 1, for lunch, you had 6 strawberries, which we said was 1 cup.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's gonna go over here. 1 cup strawberries in the fruits. Mark it off. Okay. Make sure it's in ounces. You had 7 ounces of Cheetos, which is a grain. Then you had, I spelled Cheetos wrong. Cheetos. Then for a snack, you had 0.89 ounces of a Fiber One brownie, which would also be a grain. And then you also had 3 cups. Oh, how many ounces would that be? Let's look up how many ounces is 3 cups. You had 10 ounces of Ritz chips. Moving on to the next day. Oh, another cup of strawberries, so that will go under fruits. And then in grains, 7 ounces of Cheetos. And then again, 0.89 ounces of your Fiber One brownie. All right. Oh, and again, you have the Ritz chips. That day. Okay, moving right along. Okay, so I just looked up how many ounces is 1 slice of bread, and it said 1 ounce. So on day 3, you had 2 ounces of bread, because you have 2 slices of bread. And then you had grits. You have 3 ounces of grits, and you had a pancake. So you had 2 ounces of pancake batter. Okay, so that's done with day 3. Day 4, 1 cup of strawberries. Do you see what I'm doing?
Yep.
Do you? Okay.
Yep, making sense.
Okay, just making sure. 7 ounces Cheetos. Again, 0.89 fiber 1 brownie, but you had 2 of them, so we're gonna put it twice. Okay, and then you also had a 4 ounce lemon cupcake.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Last day. Add your cup of strawberries. And your 7 ounces of Cheetos. Your 0.89 ounce fiber 1 brownie. And that's it.
Sweet.
So what you do now is you're gonna go into each column and add up the measurements.
Here, I'll add
Okay,
it for you.
so do 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1.
Okay.
4.
4.
Okay. And then you divide it by the number of days that you tracked your food. So divide it by 5.
Okay, that's 0.8.
0.8. And then you can see here that the recommended daily amount is 2 cups. So you're gonna do 0.8 minus 2.
So negative 1.2.
So that means that you
I'm lacking some
are,
fruits.
yeah, you're lacking some fruits. I didn't think about putting my used cups for this.
Yeah.
So, all right, now we're gonna do the same thing for the grains. 7 plus 0.89 plus 10 plus 7 plus 0.89 plus 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 0.89 plus 0.89 plus 4 plus 7 plus 0.89.
Wow.
All right, we got 63 ounces. Now divide that by 5.
12.69.
Okay, so we're just gonna round up and say 13 ounces. So do 13 minus 6.
And we get a total of 7.
Okay. so
This is embarrassing.
No. So here you can see you're lacking a little bit on dairy. You're eating a little too much protein. Like at the right amount of veggies.
Okay.
You could eat a little more fruit and just a little less grains. So
Okay.
do you understand how I did
I
this?
do. Thank
Okay,
you.
perfect. Bye.
See ya.